Hi guys, I'm Kimmy. Thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. This video, I'm gonna walking through to you guys how you can start affiliate marketing as a completely beginner. Back in 6 months ago, I was a completely beginner with zero experience, but I received my first commissions. And here you can see after I applied this method in just 3 weeks. Before I jump into the steps, I do want you guys to have a clear understand how affiliate programs works, right? As an affiliate or whatever you want to call yourself as a content creator, influencer, publisher, advertiser, or digital entrepreneur, is you help company to promote their product and services online, and you get one affiliate link. If someone purchases through your website or social medias, you can get commissions because you get one affiliate link. That is how your commission already be tracked. So the first step is how to find your niche, right? There are 5 ways to help you to find your niche. The first is find what is your passion and interesting, right? This is the one I recommend you doing it because that's gonna keep you pushing forward every day as a beginner. The second is if you don't know what you're really passionate, still confused about, you are finding a general problems the people want to solve, right? So there are 3 top niches you can as a references, like health, wealth, and relationships. If they still cannot, if you still confused, cannot find your niche, you can go to check different successful industry, your competitors, and what those people are doing on the internet, and pick one from theirs. If you still don't have any idea how you pick your niche, you should load your ideas in the notebook or come to ask me, comment below so I can help you more. But my tip is you find one profitable niche and the niche you are passionate about to start with. So the second important step is how to find a winning product to promote, right? So like I said, you can do more research, but the statistics show more than 80% of brands, they got affiliate programs. Like those logos I'm showing you, like those 8 companies, they just a few of examples. There are thousands of brands of companies they got affiliate programs, but my tip is giving you guys is type your niche plus affiliate programs on the internet. That is how you can find the affiliate programs you're really passionate about and profitable to promote. Let me give you guys one example how I do the research. Example for the coffee lover, right? So we type coffee niche plus affiliate program. So you can say here have couple example. Most of people we do is we click the first one and the second one. That is the how we like to check. So you can say we browse those blog and they have some information here, the best coffee affiliate programs you can promote. So there are more than 9 affiliate programs relate to the coffee niche. And we keep browser it, we find it. You can see how many commissions this company will offer you, right? It's say 10%. The cooking duration is 90 days. What that means is if a potential customer didn't buy from the second time, in second day, they click your link, but after the buyer, they consider a couple days later, they might come back to your affiliate link and made the purchase. You still can get the commission by these companies. But my suggestion is keep browser it more and find one with better offer obviously the commission rate is higher is better. Cooking duration longer is better. So we keep browsing it. If we still cannot find the best offer in the blog, we still can check the log into your affiliate marketplace. This is one for free to join. So you can go to their affiliate marketplace and choose a better offer. I'm gonna back soon with my account login. So I back into the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. You can say there are thousands of products you can promote in different categories, but now our example is more focused on in health and fitness niche. You can check there have different niche, you can get more inspiration, but now we are focused on finding the best offer we can promote. So there is one tips I give you guys is you sort by the gravity. What that means is if the gravity is higher, it means this product they are very popular in the marketplace, right? Always remember that we're selling something already be sold. That is, you can say this first one, 𝗔𝗳𝗂𝗶𝗹𝗶𝗁, is the perfect product with a high commission kickback compared to others, because we do need to check the gravity score and balance, how much conversion and how much commission you can get. So we decided to choose this one. And the last step is you have to create one sales funnel to help you find the ideal customers, right? So we're back to the final important step is the sales funnel. My tips is you more understand what is buyer journey. That is how a sales funnel is important to find the ideal audience. They really like to drink coffee every day, or they want to purchase related to the coffee type of product. So a sales funnel is more like understanding buyer journey, like how to draw their awareness to their interest in and consider a couple days ago, I do really need a coffee product. And because they want it, right? They drive in their design. That is how you have to create a sales funnel and let the customer take action finally. So I'm gonna show you how to create it one sales funnel under free sales funnel building software is called 𝗧𝗜𝗟𝗏𝗏. That is the one I am using it. You guys all can sign in for free, and I attached the link in my descriptions. So we're back in our affiliate marketplace in Clickbank, and we do need to know what offer this company, right? This product the company offer. We do need to know some of the benefits, and that is how we can write our opening pages. Exactly the hook, and we should know, and we know some details inside it, right? So we browser it, and we can find what is really the benefit this product can give to the ideal customers, right? So like here is like electrify your metabolism, touching off fat from your problem areas, enjoying incredible all-day energy. Like those keywords, it's definitely you can use when you write a strong headline, strong hook, right? So and improving your hair health. So just to enjoy your morning coffee. And we can say boosting your health, energy, and well-being at the same times. Those are definitely give you the inspired and how can you write your hook, right? So we're back into our System.io, and you can see this is the funnels. I already wrote a half, and one of the good things is you can use this tool to put more tags, headline tags, and a survey. I just jump in here. You can see there's a survey button. You can put a survey in here. Just insert. It's very beginner friendly to use those type of software. And so go ahead. We have to write one headline, right? So I just got some inspired, but we just looking through together. So we can write some headline like discover. Oh, what happened? I do like the secret. That is how I'm more curiosity, right? The secret 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗏 booster that give you can say here, I remember this, give you all day energy and improving your health. Perfect. So I do like to more emphasize here. So we can change a color. And you can say I insert one picture in here. That's gonna give more eyeballs to like people don't want to drink coffee. It's not giving me energies anymore every time. So I do want to have an alternative drinks I want to purchase, right? So this survey is perfectly niche down to some people they really interested about to check this product, right? So we can editing our survey questions in here. You can add more questions. This is how you add more questions, but I already add some in here. You can say, are you drinking coffee every day, right? Let's definitely give a strong check for who is the ideal customers. And do you drink coffee more than once a day? If they drink, that's really strong coffee lovers, right? More than once a day. Do you feel energized after your cup of coffee? If they still don't feel energized, they want to purchase, they want to find something really amazing. I can feel all day energy and still keep health, still keep metabolism, and can turn on more fat burning, right? Those are the problem solving, like those type of products in health niche. This is a perfect example for like you can do a survey as a strategy to put your landing page in here. So I help you guys to understand about the basic steps you need when you start affiliate marketing. Finally, I do want to add one more bonus tip is how can you drive traffic to your landing page, right? So I want to share my favorite free traffic way is let's go to check the example landing page we just created, right? So you can see this is the perfect landing page, and if people are interested about, they can check, are you drinking coffee every day? Yes. Do you drink coffee more than once a day? Yes. Do you feel energized after your cup of coffee? No. Do you get all day energy? No. Is the cup of coffee help you to lose weight and turn on fat burning? Not really, right? So it looks like your morning coffee routine has not reached its full potential. Would you like to discover in a short video how you can electrify your metabolism, get all the energy and burning fat just by drinking morning coffee, right? So I'm going yes. So it's perfectly go to the company's bridge page, and after that they check these promotion videos. They can drive more eyebrow, so they can definitely purchase from these companies, right? So how you can net customer to drive attention to these pages, right? So my favorite way is you created an TikTok account, just like this one. I just do a research, like she just promotes the 𝗔𝗳𝗶𝗶𝗁 coffees. You can see how many followers already got, and what they do is they put the affiliate link under the profile in here, and after we check it out, open it, you can say this is a product, this people are promoting it. It's click here, is exactly go to the same pages, right? Same pages, but the difference is our way is we do go to the extra step. We created one service, but let's see what type of content you can drive more traffic into your profile, right? So like this is definitely not
if you're tired of yo-yo,
you say like those videos is not showing your face.
Dieting, are struggling to lose weight, and want to regain a healthy, attractive, athletic body, then this discovery went from 234.
Like those video, one way is she lets somebody else to purchase from somewheres, or they just directly find some health fitness in those places, right? Like here, it's you can use free videos. I mean, for example, fitness. You definitely can edit it and download it, a very short videos, and put some text on the screen. That is how you can exactly learning from, write some 50-second weight loss with diet, exciting routines, and those of strong hooks. So I hope I gave you guys the basic understand how you can start your affiliate marketing journey as a beginner, and those steps are really crucial. Just to take action, guys. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe my channels, and I'm gonna update more tips. And yes, I see you guys in next times, and don't forget to see my description, attached all the helpful link in there. Go to check it out. I see you guys in next videos.